Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial. Today we're going to see how to reset your website and install a different demo. Let's go to plugins, look for WP Reset and install this plugin. Attention, because this is going to wipe clean all of the contents in your website. So if you have to store posts or pages that can't be deleted, do not run this procedure. Let's open Tools, WP Reset, scroll down and locate the tab called Site Reset. Create a snapshot just in case. This procedure doesn't delete the media files that are uploaded. So this is going just to reset the database. If we create a snapshot, this makes it easy to restore it. Now click Reactivate Current Theme and reactivate all plugins. Type Reset to confirm. And here we are. Now we have a brand new, fresh installation of Pro Radio. So this is back to the original state of how your website was before. Let's go to the dashboard, and at this point you will need to enter again your license key. Once you enter your license key, you can click on Install and Update Plugins. Make sure that the one-click demo import is installed. Then you can go to Pro Radio Admin, import demo data. Choose the demo you want and import that demo. Click Continue Import. Wait for the procedure to complete. If you see any error like 504 error or similar, just repeat the procedure, because on slower servers, this procedure may require to run 2 or 3 times depending on the size of the demo that we are importing. Once done, you may notice that some pictures are displaying in an incorrect size. So we check our demo in an incognito window. You can see, for instance, that the featured image of the current radio show is displayed in an incorrect size. This is because when you import a demo, the thumbnails are not being rebuilt, because this would require a massive amount of CPU and make the demo import extremely slow. So what we're going to do is to install a small plugin called Ajax Thumbnail Rebuild. This plugin will recreate all of the missing sizes for the images that have been imported with the demo. Activate the plugin, and once done, in the Tools menu, click Thumbnail Rebuild. Select all of the sizes and make very sure to click only Rebuild Featured Images. This will make the procedure much faster. Then click Rebuild All Thumbnails and it will start working. Of course, wait for the procedure to finish, and once completed, check your homepage and you will see that all pictures are now displaying correctly. And this was the procedure to switch your current demo with a new one.